Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a frame latency meter. This essential tool measures the time it takes for a single frame to travel from its creation within your system to its final appearance on your display. Understanding this measurement is key to assessing your system's true responsiveness. We'll explore why this metric is so important for a seamless visual experience, especially in fast-paced scenarios. Setting up your frame latency meter is straightforward. First, you'll typically connect the device physically between your graphics card's output and your monitor's input. Next, ensure you install any necessary software drivers or applications that come with your specific meter. Finally, perform any initial calibration steps as outlined in the user manual to guarantee the most precise and reliable readings from your setup. Once your meter is running, you'll see readings, usually in milliseconds. These numbers represent the delay for each frame. For a truly fluid experience, aim for latency below 16 milliseconds, which corresponds to 60 frames per second. Values above this might indicate a performance bottleneck. Understanding these numbers helps you pinpoint areas for improvement, ensuring your system delivers optimal visual responsiveness. To achieve lower frame latency, start by ensuring all your drivers and operating system are up to date. Next, fine-tune your application or game settings. Reducing graphical intensity can significantly decrease the processing time per frame. If latency remains high, consider hardware upgrades. A faster graphics card or CPU can dramatically improve your system's ability to render frames quickly, leading to a much more responsive experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.